Welcome to the Inside Out Wealth Workshop. Are you ready to transform your financial future? You've tried everything, the books, the courses, but something's still missing. The frustration of traditional financial methods can be overwhelming. You feel like you're working hard, but not getting anywhere. But then, something different catches your eye, a new approach. Introducing the Inside Out Wealth Workshop, a training built on something revolutionary. This training is built on the powerful concept of Neuro-Semantics. This approach isn't just new, it's backed by the world's leading experts. A quick search reveals that Neuro-Semantics is the #1 NLP development program in the world for 2025. And its co-founder, Dr. L. Michael Hall, is a top-ranked professional in the field. This isn't about chasing money. It's about a fundamental shift in understanding wealth creation. You will learn that wealth is an inside-out phenomenon. Money is just a scorecard for the value you create. Second, you'll build your own wealth creation matrix, the psychological foundation for abundance. And third, you'll understand that wealth is a long-term journey of self-actualization, not a quick fix. By the end of this workshop, you will unlock your true potential. You will be empowered to become a wealth creator, generating value from within. You'll have the ability to construct a personal, actionable plan tailored to your goals. And you will master resourceful states to eliminate self-sabotaging behaviors, ensuring lasting success. Don't just chase money. Learn how to create lasting wealth from the inside out. Join us in beautiful Mauritius. Visit the website to learn more about the dates, times, and how to register. Register today and take the first step towards transforming your financial future.